Biden is best for US-India relations. In 2006, during the fight to make the US-India civil nuclear deal a reality, Joe Biden outlined his vision for US-India relations. Biden said, "My dream is that in 2020 the two closest nations in the world will be India and the United States." Quote, Biden has acted to make this dream a reality and will continue to do so as President of the United States. I can personally testify that the US-India civil nuclear deal would never have become a reality without the leadership of Joe Biden. At the time, I was secretary of a coalition of business, Indian Americans, and the policy community building support for the deal. I saw up close the forceful, steady, principled leadership of Joe Biden. As ranking member of the Senate Foreign Relations Committee, he took implementing legislation that was dead on arrival in the Congress, molded it into acceptable language, and led the successful effort to achieve strong bipartisan support that brought US-India relations to a new and higher level. As Vice President, he was a strong supporter of the Obama-Biden administration's Defense Technology Trade Initiative with India, the designation of India as a major defense partner, and the struggle to give India access to US defense technology. Biden stands with India in the fight against international terrorism and keeping China from seizing Indian territory and becoming a controller of the Indian Ocean and the South China Sea. Biden sees US-India natural partnership as a relationship, not a transaction. This is a marked contrast with Donald Trump. Trump is an erratic leader who has turned on American allies from NATO to South Korea with threats not to fulfill US commitments unless more money is forthcoming. He pulled out on Kurdish fighters in the Middle East after they had sacrificed lives to defeat the ISIS. With Trump, everything is the art of the deal. Trump revels in creating chaos as a means to getting what he wants. Trump has denigrated all that has come before him and proclaimed the uniqueness of his international vision and achievements. These are not sound characteristics upon which to build a strong, lasting, and dependable US-India security relationship. Biden sees that the US-India relationship to be strong must be wider than a transactional defense relationship. It must encompass economic engagement, environment and health challenges, and democratic values. On these issues, Biden is clearly best for US-India relations. Biden will be best for US-India relations because he views the connection between our two nations as a relationship rather than a series of transactions. A relationship of equality between two great democracies. A relationship that should be the closest in the world. A relationship that faces the wide range of issues important to the people of both nations.